The death toll in Texas from the devastating floods that we've seen now stands over 100. That includes 30 different children, too. Here's video we've gotten just today from Camp Mystic. That's where 27 young girls and counselors tragically died.
And at this hour, we know that there are still dozens more people missing, and rescue crews are out working to try to find survivors.
In the wake of a tragedy like this, volunteers from across the nation, including here in North Carolina, are in Texas to help any way that they can.
Yeah, right now, members of the disaster relief organization Samaritans Purse are there, and they're actually there already helping with the flood cleanup. And the goal here, they say, is to offer encouragement, support, and a helping hand.
Each and every person that's out volunteering, each and every chaplain that's listening to those hard stories and offering encouragement, each person that can just continue to let the word out that there is ministry happening here in Texas, they're all part of a great big team that's making a difference down here.
And if you want to help as well, there are several groups, not just Samaritans Purse, that are out there, and they're also collecting donations. We do have a verified organization list inside the WCNC Charlotte mobile app.